In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you've accidentally locked an audio track and you can't make any changes to it, don't worry. This is a very quick fix, and once you know where to look, it only takes a few seconds. Locked tracks are useful when you want to prevent accidental edits, but if a track is locked by mistake, it can be confusing when nothing seems to move or respond the way you expect. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to unlock that audio track and get back to editing normally. Start by going to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is where all of your video and audio tracks are arranged, and it's the main area you'll use when editing. If you're already in the edit page, you should be able to see your timeline at the bottom or center of the screen, depending on your layout. Once you're in the timeline, find the audio track that you want to unlock. Audio tracks are usually listed below your video tracks, and each one will have its own track header on the left-hand side. Take a moment to identify the correct track, especially if your project contains multiple layers of audio like music, dialogue, or sound effects. On the left side of that track, you'll see the track details. This area contains the controls for that specific track, and one of those controls is the lock icon. If the track is currently locked, that icon will indicate it. To unlock the audio track, simply click the lock icon. As soon as you do, the track will be unlocked and you should be able to edit it again normally. That means you can move clips, trim them, delete them, or make any other changes you need without the track being protected. That's it. The process is very simple once you know where the lock control is located. If you ever run into a situation where an audio clip won't let you make edits, checking whether the track is locked should be one of the first things you do. It's a small setting, but it can save you a lot of frustration when editing. And that's how to unlock audio tracks in DaVinci Resolve.